That's good. Hello friends, welcome to another Wednesday Quickie. If today is your first time visiting with us, midweek we publish either automotive videos or quick videos that will show you nice tips and tricks. So if you're here for the first time, we want to extend you a very warm welcome. If you've been here before but you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe. If today is your birthday, we want to wish you a very happy birthday. Alright folks, today we're going to show you a very inexpensive way to make a turntable, and you can use your imagination and make it even applicable to more things than just this. For example, if you're a photographer, you can put something that you want to. 2016, that was a great year. And this turntable was made using material I purchased at the dollar store. So you're looking at a grand investment of $3 here. That's a lot of money, isn't it? Right? You know, for a turntable. So what I did is I purchased 2 baking pans, and you can change the size if you want, right? I thought that was a good size for my purposes. And then I purchased a bag. If you buy bigger, you might need 2 or 3 bags, I don't know, you know, of marbles. They don't have to be white, I just like them white. And a second pan, and by simply putting them together, as you notice, creates a very nice and smooth turntable. You can build something here, and I'm thinking of doing that at a later time to make it look more than 2 pans, right? And probably put a piece of wood and glue or attach this pan over so when it turns it. But we're going to do something, and we're going to show it to you. But this is a quickie for this Wednesday. We hope you enjoyed it, and we hope it inspires you to make something out of very inexpensive things you can find at the dollar store. This was our short quickie for this week. And the short quickie, not the long quickie.
Not a long one.
Not a long quickie, a short quickie.
And it was a quick quickie?
A quick quickie. A QQ, Q square. So we hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, we would appreciate a thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down twice. Share, like, subscribe, and click the little bell that will activate notifications so you know every time we do upload content, which is every midweek and on the weekends. From the Garage Wizard, Mrs. Wizard, and Elpida, and the Urban Homesteading channel, we bid you a great week, a great remainder of your week, and we're going to see you soon.